Alright guys, today we're finally fixing the security system on this E34, and we're doing that by deleting the OEM one because I couldn't figure it out. This one has some weird 1995 specific system called, I want to say, the WAP system, not WAP, WASP, something crazy, something stupid. Anyways, it has some 1995 only e34 540 security system, has the 3 buttons on the original key, and those suck because once they stop working, they do all sorts of weird stuff. For example, it ruined my central locking because it uses the same unit. And anyways, I don't want to get into all of that because it's annoying, but I went ahead and bought this, and I've seen it online, but I haven't seen anybody do videos about it. It's called the United Auto Security System, and supposedly this plugs into where the Alpine aftermarket security system. So the Alpine came on E34s from the dealership, and they're pretty decent units, but this one didn't come with it. So instead of looking for one of those, I found this. It's about 200 bucks, comes with 2 keys and this little unit that's supposed to plug into the Alpine system. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. I'll try to install that, and we'll see if it works. We might actually have to switch the electronic, the central locking unit, to use the old school ones that are not on the 95s, the pre-95s. And I've ordered one in the mail, it's coming in. If this doesn't work, I'll have to switch that out as well. So it just has central locking without a security system. This one has the central locking with the security system built in, and it's really annoying. So first things first, let's get, well, here's the annoying part about not having central locking. You have to do each door one by one. And we're going to take this guy out, and that's the back seat, and you just do that by pulling on it. So all I have to do here is pull up, and that takes that part off, and we'll do the same thing on the back side. Okay, just lift the seat belt out of the way, and now we have access. All right, I'm just gonna pull this because it's on the other side. So, okay, so the unit that we're gonna plug into, it should plug directly into this thing here where the battery is, and I know my battery is really dirty, I need to clean that up, but it's a new battery. But this is where it's supposed to connect. This is where the factory Alpine unit connects, and hopefully we're good to go. And when mucking with all of this stuff, I highly suggest you unlock every door individually, especially if the central locking's out, because apparently this is what put it into like armed mode or something like that, like somebody tried to steal it. And I could probably take it to the dealer and they might be able to fix it, but I don't want to pay the diagnostic fee. I figured this is the same price as the diagnostic fee, and I'd rather just have a system that most likely works. Anyway, yeah, so make sure all the doors are unlocked before you start playing with the alarm system, otherwise it thinks somebody's trying to steal it. So we'll just take this little guy here. You see it's already pre-wired for this. So I'm thinking it's going this direction, but we'll find out. I don't know, it looks like it'll go either direction. Oh wait, okay, I see some stuff. I think it goes this way. And just like that, it's in. Now the question, does it work? If it works, let's grab this. Oh wow, that worked. I locked it. Now the alarm system, factory alarm system, is freaking out. But oh yeah, the factory alarm system is not happy. Okay, so probably what we're gonna have to do is mess with this factory crap. But this is, I'll consider that installed for now. I'll tuck this away better later. I'll probably just tuck it down here somewhere, but it doesn't really matter. I think this is fine for the time being. Okay, so now that we know the remote at least is working, we can tackle the annoying issue of this stupid armed system from hell. Well, let's see if we can. You hear that alarm? It's so, I don't know if you can hear it. Funky. So central locking is definitely not happy. And this is the stupid unit that BMW threw in here. And it's super annoying. So first we're gonna unplug this annoying thing here. Let's see if that works. Nope, still annoying. Okay, next we'll start unplugging. So the other central locking module is a smaller box. It's like that big. It's on the older units, and it only has, I think, this one and this one. And this guy is extra crap. So let's see if we can just undo the extra stuff, and if that still works. If not, we have to wait for the central locking module to arrive to replace this whole guy. But here, you just push this tab and it comes out, and let's see. I don't know how it's still making noises. So I think that's actually part of that alarm. Yeah, so it's probably part of that alarm, because normally if you disconnect this shit, it doesn't work. Great. So definitely central locking is foobarred. So I guess we're gonna have to wait till the central locking module comes in, which is annoying. I thought I was gonna get lucky. Alright. Well, I guess you guys are just gonna see when I get the central locking module in.
Alright, so I ended up getting it working, and how did I do that? Well, I had to change that fuse. Turned out that this fuse was also out, which I checked before. It looks like this. Have to focus. Yeah, there we go. This little annoying fuse, and I checked it before and it was okay, but maybe when I was wiring things up, it might have tripped the switch. But with that, I was able to rewire this ultrasonic unit. It was called the ultrasonic unit, not the WAP unit. I don't know why it got WAP. Anyways, so I was able to rewire this guy back together so I get my OBC. And to top it all off, I got my key here. Watch this. Ta-da! I have locking system finally, which was super duper annoying before. So hopefully this is a good fix and it lasts. And I will leave you guys the description for this UAS unit. It's amazing. It has really nice range, and I like the key. I mean, they have an E46 style one, but I went with this one. In hindsight, I probably should have went with the E46 style one. It's more OEM looking. Anyways, yeah, link in the description below for the unit. And yep, that's it. I needed both hands for that, but I tuck the ultrasonic unit back here where it belongs, and I push this guy down. Everything's kind of loose fitted for now. Even that guy's loose fitted. This guy, I should probably move him somewhere more secure, but for now it's fine until I'm 100% sure nothing's wrong. And for now, we'll put this guy back up. And put the seats back in. And we'll do this side. And all you have to do is sit on, push down. And it should go back into place. I can actually open this door now. Easy. Nice. Push down here. Alright, that's it. Now I can just sit on the side and we are good. Alright guys, and just like that, we have security. Now it works good. And if you guys like that video, like and subscribe. I'm going to put the link below for the security unit if anybody wants to buy from them.